Hello YouTube, good morning. First thing at all, I want to say thank you to everyone for your support to the channel. Thank you very much, guys. Second thing, I had this question in my head for a long time, probably since I started working for this company that I am now, United. You know, since we do everything, you know, air conditioning, plumbing, everything, I've been sent, and not only me, everyone else in this company, to do plumbing jobs. You know, I know most people don't like plumbing. I'm one of them. I don't like to do plumbing too much, but you know, it doesn't matter to me. As long as I can do it and I can handle it myself, that's fine. You know, it is what it is. But you know, I don't like it too much. I know sometimes refrigeration is a pain in the ass. You know, it takes a lot of your mind and a lot of your body. Same thing with air conditioning, when you have to deal with the heat up on the roof in the summertime. You know, it takes out of you a lot. But you know, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter to me. But plumbing is, I don't know. I know some people are 100% plumbers and they like what they do, but I'm not that kind of person. I don't like plumbing too much. But again, you know, if I had to do it, I do it. I don't mind. But some people, you know, they take it so seriously that they refuse the plumbing call. They refuse a toilet replacement. I don't know why. I mean, I know you don't like it, but I've been sent to replace toilets, urinals, I don't know how many times. You know, at the morning when you open your folder or when you see your schedule for your day and you see a toilet, well, it's not that I like to. I don't think that nobody likes to replace a toilet, but if you have to, you have to, you know. I get paid to do that, and then my second call, it will be refrigeration, and I get paid to do that. So it doesn't matter to me. I mean, I don't like it, but I do it anyways. But I remember years ago, I had a friend of mine, and he was working for an air conditioning, a refrigeration, plumbing, heating company, same as this one that I am. And one of the last call of the day was to replace a toilet. And I remember the guy, he was straight to the owner, and you know, and he says, "Look, I'm doing you like a favor, you know, because I don't like to do this. I don't like to do plumbing because I'm a refrigeration guy. But I'm gonna do it for you." Thinking that saying that to the customer is gonna make him happy. Say, "Oh, great! This guy is gonna do the an extra favor. He's gonna do an extra mile for us, you know," which is not. How you gonna say something like that to your customer? You cannot say that something like that to your customer. If you don't like to replace a toilet, that's my personal opinion. I may be wrong. Again, this thought on the road is just my thoughts. You know, I'm not saying that this has to be like this. It's just the way I'm thinking. You cannot say something like that to your customer. I mean, if I am a customer and I have to pay, you know, these companies, they are not necessarily cheap. You know, you have to pay, you know, good money to have a professional service. So if you're gonna pay that, and you're gonna open a door to a guy who's gonna say, "Look, I don't like to do plumbing, but I'm gonna do it for you," I'm feeling like, you know what? Just turn around, go to your truck, and call somebody else. That's the way that I would do it if something like that happens to me, you know. Because it's my money, and it's my time, and it's my house where my family lives. So basically, I remember the guy said that to this lady, I remember, and she didn't say too much. Let him come to the house, and she called this company where this guy used to work, complaining. Said, "Look, the guy you sent me he's gonna do the job, but he was straight to me and he told me, you know, I'm not happy doing plumbing because I'm a refrigeration guy, and since I am a refrigeration guy, I don't supposed to do plumbing. Now, this is the second question that it comes up to my mind. This vehicle, well, see, here in my jacket, it says temperature solution for home and business. Well, it doesn't say over here, but in the side of my truck, it says refrigeration, air conditioning, plumbing, and heating. You know, if you have to replace a toilet, that's a plumbing job. If you have to replace a compressor, it may be refrigeration or an air conditioning call. If the water heater is not working and you have to replace it, that's a heating and plumbing. But that's what I get paid for. You know, I got the knowledge, so they want to use it, and of course, if I can do it, I do it. But I personally never gonna say to my customer, you know, I don't like to do plumbing, I don't like to do toilets, because I don't think it's right. I remember one time, it was one of the worst urinals I never did. I did a urinal, but it was one of those tall urinals, you know, and urinals are disgusting. It doesn't matter which one is, they're always disgusting. But it's more disgusting if you replace a urinal in a school. And I remember replacing a urinal in a school. It was a elementary school, you know. The kids, they piss everywhere. They pee everywhere, but the urinal, walls, floors, everywhere. And the worst thing is I have to do a repair on the drain that it was under the urinal, which is under the floor. So I have to go in the first floor, open the ceiling, and work over there. And you know, you got all that stuff falling in you, and I mean, it's disgusting, but it is what it is. You have to do it. That's why you've been hired for a company that is looking for people who do plumbing. You know, and I didn't complain. Now, if you ask me personally, do you like to do that kind of job? I don't like it too much. Of course, you know, most of the people don't like it too much. Even if it is your own house and you have to replace your own toilet, you don't like to do it too much, you know, because it's not, you know, you don't like it. But, you know, I do it anyways. But I never gonna say to my customer, look, I don't like to do plumbing because I'm a refrigeration guy. It's true, I'm a refrigeration guy, but also I'm a plumber, and I can do heating calls. It doesn't matter. But anyways, that's something that I got in my mind. And over the years, I've been working for a long time in this company, 15 years, and I've been hearing a lot of guys, you know, coming in and out in this company and other companies, saying, I'm a refrigeration guy, I don't do toilets. I'm a refrigeration guy, I don't do urinals. And I would say 80% of the time, the company who does refrigeration and air conditioning, they also do plumbing, and most of the time they also do heating. So I don't get that idea of, I'm a refrigeration guy, I don't do plumbing, or I'm a refrigeration guy, I don't replace a toilet. I mean, if you think about it, I mean, I know sometimes it's disgusting, but if you replace a compressor in a walk-in cooler, you probably can spend a full day rustling, you know, trying to get recovery tanks and all the equipment up on a roof, sometimes by yourself, and refrigerant tanks, recovery machines, vacuum pump, acetylene, everything that you can imagine by yourself. By the end of the day, you end in completely exhausted. Now, your company is gonna pay you to replace a toilet that you can do in probably 1 hour. Let's put an hour, you know, something like that, simple, and get everything get everything ready, and they pay you anyways, same money. So I don't get the idea about what the difference is. You know, you got the knowledge, use it in your advantage, you know. But Anyways, that's something that I got in my mind for a long time. I always get this conversation with guys in my company talking about it, which is funny. I think if you have the knowledge, you can use it. It's not something bad. I mean, I know you don't like it, but I don't see a reason why you cannot do it, or I don't see a reason why you have to complain to your customers saying I don't do that. But anyways, I would like to know what do you think, and if you have similar situations or experiences, I would like to see it in the bottom in the comment sections. And thank you very much, guys, again for your support, and I'll see you next time.